If an unexpected expense happens tomorrow, would you be financially ready? This is where an emergency fund becomes one of the most important tools for financial security and peace of mind. An emergency fund is simply money saved for real emergencies like medical bills, job loss, urgent repairs, or sudden travel needs. It protects you from using credit cards or loans during stressful moments. So, how much should you actually save? For beginners, a good starting goal is 1 month of essential expenses. This small cushion already makes a big difference. The next step is building toward 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is the level most financial experts recommend for long-term stability and protection. But don't feel overwhelmed. You don't need to save everything at once. Start small and stay consistent. Even saving a little money every week gradually builds real financial safety over time. Where should you keep your emergency fund? Choose a place that is safe, separate from daily spending, and easy to access when truly needed, such as a basic savings account. Avoid investing emergency money in risky assets, because emergencies require certainty, not volatility. Remember, financial freedom doesn't begin with investing, it begins with protection and stability first. Build your emergency fund step by step, and you create a strong foundation for every future financial goal. For more simple money guides, visit growyourwealth.com and subscribe for weekly videos on saving, investing, and financial freedom.